Hey guys, I'm Pascal, I'm from Switzerland. I'm 30 years old and I'm a product and industrial design student. And I'm joining the Sketch Like the Pro course right now. That's because I always wanted to be able to share all my ideas and thoughts on a pretty fast and effective way. And I think the best way to share all this information fast and effective is to share them with drawing. But I was always struggling with bolding lines, perspective, or even fast sketches. And in Sketch Like a Pro, you will learn all this stuff step by step, from very beginning, how to hold your pen to a much higher level. And if you load up your drawings, Chou-Tac will give you pretty good advice, and he explains it very simple, what you have done wrong, what you have done right, and so you will improve pretty fast. And if you want to improve your sketching skills, I can highly recommend you to join the club Sketch Like a Pro. So yeah, the best way, you will join it right now. Okay, see you back.